Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on the Scion key fob. Here's what you need. A 2025 battery. You can get these off Amazon, they're quite inexpensive. And there's a link below in the description, I'll take you straight there. I'm going to be using a flat tip screwdriver. And then also, it's not mandatory, but I think a very small tip flat blade also is beneficial. Okay, so first you want to take this, and there's two spots you can open this. Right here, and this piece right here is very fragile. You can see this one has been damaged. So you can open it there, but just be advised that this is pretty fragile. You can also open it here, but you have to be careful here not to stab yourself as you're kind of working your way in there. So just work your way in on either side. At this point, take your screwdriver, your small one, and if you put it right here, this pops out very easily. You can get it out by kind of using a larger screwdriver here, but it's a little bit more difficult. And then take your new 2025 battery, put it in just like that, and then you can test it. Give this a good squeeze. And then test right here, make sure you're back in action, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.